If you want to safely unmount your USB device from Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then you have two options. The first option is to go to Notifications, and then over here you should be able to find a notification about USB storage being added. You can tap on this arrow here on the right side to reveal additional options, and one of them is Unmount. So of course you can tap on that button and then wait a couple of seconds. Most likely you will see a confirmation that you can safely unmount the device afterwards. And the second option, in case you don't have a notification, you can go to the My Files app, which you should be able to find somewhere in the app drawer, for example in the Samsung folder or just somewhere over here in general. Now once you go to the My Files app, then we need to find the USB storage. In the storage section, of course, then tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then you should be able to find the Unmount option. So tap over here. Wait a couple of seconds, there we go, we have the confirmation that the storage has been unmounted. So now we can remove the flash drive safely. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.